Okay, so this is a real quick video on how I installed my ABS rings. See that? That's a brand new rotor, but unfortunately, when I ordered it, it didn't come with the ABS rings. So I used a, here's the other one. I used, and here's where I took them out of, my old F350 rotors. But anyway, I did order the correct ones because I couldn't find the ABS rings, and so I ordered some rotors, and they're already installed. But I had these other two rotors that I had bought, and they didn't have ABS rings. And that thing looks brand new. But the way that I took those out is I just used a 3-jaw puller, and it came out pretty quick. And I put a piece of thick metal right in the center on the other one here, see? And I just used a 3-jaw to pull them out. It came out pretty quickly. But to install these, I first tried with this, which is a dead blow hammer. But that didn't do the job because it kept coming off on the other side. I mean, it's too large and I couldn't tap it in evenly. It kept coming out. So I went off and I got a piece of 2x10, see? And I made a hole, and that thing fits, well, it's already in there. See, it fits, it goes right in the center. Look at this, see? I broke it once, but I just turned it around and put it back in to get the other one. It broke, but it did break on the first one. So, and I guess, well, I didn't do a good job of screwing it in. So it popped. But it does get the job done. And of course I used this guy with this one. And it just goes right in the center. And of course you have to make it to the, such that it fits down the center. That thing is too deep in there, So but it fits in the center, see? So it fits right in there. It's hard to get in here because of this. It's too deep in there. So this was the way that I did it on this. I don't know exactly, how it's done otherwise. I don't know, but it worked. Anyway, I got the two rims, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sell them now if they have rings, because most vehicles do have ABS, and those fit up to, geez, I don't know, a lot of trucks. So I'll be able to get rid of them, at least get a little bit of money back. Anyway, that's one way to do it.